You're getting ready to watch the 1999 to 2006 Audi Quattro Allroad rear strut conversion. Safely raise the vehicle and remove the rear wheels. Release the airline from the strut and remove the upper strut bolts. Release the brake cable from the caliper. If you're wondering, that cable is for the emergency brake. Just compress it, release it. Remove the lower control arm cover and mark the position of the eccentric bolt. That's your lower control arm cover. Now if you're looking at that bolt there, it's an eccentric, and that's to do a rear wheel alignment. Because the car has four-wheel independent suspension, what you want to do is put that bolt back to where you got it from. Remove the bottom strut bolt, loosen, but do not remove the bolts at the rear of the lower control arm. The reason for loosening this bolt and the one on the other side is simple. It allows the lower control arm to swing freely. That way you're not fighting with it. Disconnect the height sensor and the ABS sensor. Take care in disconnecting these two sensors, because if you break them, you're replacing them. Remove the eccentric bolt from the lower control arm and remove the strut from the vehicle. Old strut out. Remove the new strut from the Strutmasters box and install it in the vehicle, fastening the top strut bolts first. Raise the lower control arm and insert, then tighten the lower strut bolt. After that, tighten the upper strut bolts. reinsert and realign the eccentric, tighten all of the bolts connected to the lower control arm. As you can see, he's using a jack to align the lower control arm to the spindle, making it easier to put in a bolt. Now he's lining it up. Bam. By doing this, you avoid having to get the car a four-wheel alignment. That's why you do it. Remove the jack from underneath the control arm, reattach the height sensor and the emergency brake cable. Watch your fingers, it will pinch you. Reconnect the ABS sensor and the lower control arm shield. Reinstall the rear wheel, lower the vehicle to the ground. This concludes the mechanical portion of our install. If you have electronics, refer to the instructions. If not, call the guys. They'll be happy to help you out.